Underwriting a fix and flip property can seem daunting for new real estate investors, but fear not. Begin by assessing the property's after repair value, or ARV. This is the projected value of the property once all renovations are complete. To calculate ARV, compare similar, recently sold homes in the area. Next, estimate the repair costs. Obtain quotes from contractors to get realistic figures. With ARV and repair costs in hand, apply the 70% rule. Offer no more than 70% of the ARV minus the repair costs. This ensures you cover expenses and earn a profit. Finally, factor in holding costs like mortgage payments and utilities while the property is being renovated. By understanding these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering the fix and flip process. Happy investing!